Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be showing you all, I guess, my initial install review of this hair. This hair is from UNice Hair. If you saw my last video, you would have seen that I did the initial unboxing of it. So this is just my review of once I installed it. As you can see, I have colored it. It looks much darker on camera than it really is in person. It looks a little bit more brassy, like a, I don't know, whatever on camera, but in real life, in real life, it is blonde. The top is a little bit more of the brassier blonde, just a little bit, and then towards the bottoms it gets like towards an ashy blonde, which I'll go over that in a little bit. But like I said, I did order this hair from UNice Hair. This is not sponsored. I used my own coins to purchase this. I got a 22-inch, 24-inch, 26-inch, and a 28-inch with a 16-inch lace closure, and all 4 bundles and the closure are installed. This is a wig that I made. Yeah, this is the hair. This is it. So when I first got the hair, of course, it was like a regular black natural brown color, and I did bleach it. So I was trying to show you all the bleaching process on how I got this, but for some reason my camera will not let me upload any of the videos to edit. I don't know what's going on with it. I'll have to try to figure it out, so hopefully it'll be up soon. But I did have to bleach this hair 3 times for this color, but the reason why I had to bleach it 3 times is because my developer was not strong enough, and so that's why. But it still held up after bleaching and toning it. Like, the hair is still just freaking amazing. So some of the pros of this, the pros about this hair, it is very soft. It was definitely true to length. Even after when I bleached it the 3 times, like, it did not feel like I had bleached it at all. Like, it still feels just super soft, like no fried in, just still has its luster. It's just, honey, it's everything. It is everything. So yeah, the hair is just, it's really soft. The luster is still there. It was true length. I'm trying to think of, the closure was not plucked when I got it. Of course, I did have to bleach the knots and customize it for myself, but I was totally fine with that. That was not an issue for me. I'm trying to think any, no, not pawns, any cons. It does shed a little bit, but I did bleach the hair. I did make a wig out of it. In the top half, I did have to cut some of my wefts to make sure that it was fitting correctly. And so that really could be contributing to it. One, all hair sheds. Don't sit here, let people tell you, oh no, my hair doesn't shed. No, all hair sheds. It's not like excessive or anything. So I'm running my hands through it now. Let's see. I don't know if there's any. Yeah, there's none right there. See, there's like one. I don't know if y'all can see that. Catch that. So it's just a little bit of shedding. It's not too bad, but it is definitely shedding. Like, it is shedding the hair. But again, I did bleach the hair. I did not seal my wefts. That was a mistake on my part. I should have sealed my wefts, but I did not do that. And yeah, I did bleach the hair a whole bunch, so I can't stop reiterating that. Like, it has been bleached a lot. The wefts have been cut, so this is just kind of like the side effect of all of that. But it's not like to the point where it's just too much, not manageable. No, at all. Another, well, I wouldn't really say it's a con because it actually is holding. I was about to say it doesn't hold a curl, but it really does hold a curl. Like, I curled my hair yesterday, and these curls are still in. The bottom half, the longer lengths though, do not hold it as well, as you can see, but it is what it is. Yeah. I'm trying to think of anything else y'all need to know about this hair. Oh, side note, this makeup look, it should already be up on my channel. I decided, since I was already in front of the camera and I already filmed a makeup look, I might as well go ahead and film this review as well for you all to have. So that's why I'm looking like this, looking like a whole rainbow snack or whatever, looking like a Fruit Loop. But yeah, so that's why all of this is going on. So just go ahead and ignore that, please and thank you. But make sure to check out the video when it is up, okay? All right. But yeah, I don't have anything else, you know, really to say about this hair. It is amazing. I love the way it feels. I have gotten so many compliments on this hair, how it looks, the color, everything. Like, girl, yeah. Yeah. This hair is everything. But yeah, that's all I have to say about this hair. I probably will be doing a 1 month review on this hair when it hits that 1 month mark to see how it is holding up. But so far, so good. I really, really like this hair. Like, I feel like it is worth the hype that everybody talks about, especially because it is inexpensive. So yeah, I do really like this hair. I keep looking at my viewfinder just to make sure everything is laid, you know. But yeah, this is it. This is the hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you all the answers you needed if you're going ahead to purchase this UNice hair. Like I said, I will be doing some updated reviews later on, like my month and 2 month, whatever, however long I keep this hair in. So I'll make sure to update you all on that. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ooh. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell as well so you can get notified whenever I put a video up, and also thumbs up this video. All right, I will see you all next time. Bye guys.